Hello everyone, welcome to prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation which is 7 to power x plus 7 to power x. This is equal to 490. So what is the value of x? Now solution here, you find that 7 to power x actually is common, so we factor out 7 to power x. So this is 7 to power x divided by 7 to power x, this is 1, plus 7 to power x divided by 7 to power x, this is 1. This is equal to 490. Now, we'll have 7 to power x multiplied by 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is equal to 490. Let's divide both signs by 2. So that now 7 to power x, this is actually equal to 245. 245. Now, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both signs. So that we'll have log 7 to power x. This is equal to log 245. Okay, now you find that log 7 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, we'll have log 7 to power x as x log 7. This is equal to log 245. Now, let's divide both signs by log 7. Let's simplify here, so that now x, the value of x here, is equal to log 245 divided by log 7. We can express 245 basically as 35 multiplied by 7. Let's substitute this, so that the value of x here will be equal to log 35 multiplied by 7 divided by log 7. And you find that log 35 times 7, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this property. Now applying this logarithm property, that is log a times b is equal to log a plus log b, you find that x is equal to log 35. So we're saying that applying this logarithm property, you find that x is equal to log 35 divided by log 7 plus log 7 divided by log 7. Okay, so here, let's simplify here log 7 and log 7, so that x is equal to log 35 divided by log 7, then plus 1. The next step here, let us express 35 as 7 times 5. Let's substitute this, so that x will be equal to log 7 times 5 divided by log 7 plus 1. Now from here, you find that log 7 times 5, this is actually in this form. Let's apply this property, so that x is equal to log 7 divided by log 7 plus log 5 divided by log 7 plus 1. So let's simplify here again. So log 7 and log 7 simplifies, so that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 7 plus 1. So that means we have that x is equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus, now if you check here, we have log 5 divided by log 7, and this essentially is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property, so that now we'll have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 7. So this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 7, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 7 to power x plus 7 to power x. This should give us a value of 490. So let's substitute the values of x. So you'll have 7 to power x is equal to 2 plus log 5 to base 7 plus 7 raised to power 2 plus log 5 to base 7. This is supposed to give us a value of 490. So let's check if this is true. Now, 7 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 7, this is in the form of 8 to power n, okay, plus m, which we can transform as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So let's apply this exponent property so that we'll have 7 to power 2 multiplied by 7 to power log 5 to base 7 plus 7 to power 2 multiplied by 7 to power log 5 to base 7, and this is supposed to give us a value of 490. Okay, so let's check if this is true. No, 7 squared, this is the same thing as 49. So this is 49 multiplied by, now we have that 7 to power log 5 to base 7. This is essentially in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. So applying this logarithm property, we'll have that 7 to power log 5 to base 7, this is equal to 5. So let's substitute the value of 5 here. So we have 49 multiplied by 7 to power log 5 to base 7, which is essentially equal to 5. So 49 times 5 plus, again we have 7 squared, which is 49 multiplied by 7 to power log 5 to base 7. Okay, this is the same thing as 5. So let's substitute 5 here. This is supposed to give us a value of 490. So 49 times 5. So 49 times 5, this is 245 plus, again 49 times 5, this is 245. And this is equal to 490. So 245 plus 245, this is 490. And this shows that actually the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is 2 plus log 5 to base 7, actually satisfies the equation. So if it is your first time you come across videos in this channel, kindly subscribe.